Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a ISDone.dll line library and an arc dynamic library error when you try to install a Repack games or Repack installer. So here, if you encounter this error, you can do this method. You can increase Windows page file or virtual memory. So in order to do that, you can hold Windows key and R key in order to open this run box. So you can open ISDone.cpl. This is the system properties. ISDone.cpl. Click OK. Then you can click hardware advanced. You can click performance settings. Here you can click on advanced again and click virtual memory change. Here you can untick this box in order manually manage paging file size for all drive. And on the C drive you can custom size, so you can fill it by 403,000. Now you can save it, click OK and apply and restart your PC or system. Then you can reinstall your game. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.